Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where this week we're going to learn how to use one of the most basic but important things inside of Google Sheets, and that is how to insert rows and columns in a few different ways. So let's jump right in. The first way that we're going to look at here is using the simple Insert tab right up here at the top. So if we want to insert one, let's say, column, what we would do first is select a column, and then we go up to our insert, scroll down to our columns, and you can see that we can add one to the left or we can add one to the right. And you can go either way that you want to do. Another way that you can add rows is by using the same principle, but this time we'll select a row and then we'll hit insert and scroll down to our rows. We can do one above and we can do one below. Now, another cool feature if you want to add multiple rows or columns is you can grab the column that you want to add next to and select multiple. So now we have two columns selected, and we do that on a Mac by holding down or selecting our column, holding down Shift and selecting the next column. Then we go up to Insert, and you'll see that we can add two columns to the left or two columns to the right. And we can do the same thing with our rows. If we select row 4 here, hold down Shift, select 5 and 6, and Insert, then you see we can insert 3 rows above or 3 rows below. Now we'll look at one other way that we can insert rows and columns, and that's by using our right-click feature on our mouse. So if we select column B here and we want to add a column to the left, we can right-click and we'll select one column to the left. Now we'll select column C, right-click, we can add a column to the right. And we can do the same thing here with rows. Right-click, column above, right-click, and a column below. And another way that you can also do it is if we hold down, if you're working on a Mac like I am, you'll select your row, hold down Control and click, and you can insert a row above. If you want to do a column, hold down Control and click, and you can insert your column left or right. Now, there's a lot of quicker ways to do that are more have more productivity to them, and those are by using shortcuts. And we won't take the time to go through all the shortcuts, but you'll see at the end of the video all the shortcuts that are available for both PC and Mac. So if you want to try those out on your own, go ahead and do that. And that's it. That's how you add rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and if you got any questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you next time right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.